Hi, my name is Luxley Graham and I'm a Principal Consultant here at Alexander Daniels Global. Today's discussion or topic is focused predominantly around desktop printer manufacturers and the shift in focus for these companies. When Alexander Daniels Global was originally founded, a lot of the companies that would be associated to the professional desktop printing world were mainly focused around trying to promote their machines and their products to users, their hobbyists, and really mainly focused on trying to get these machines installed in everybody's homes there. The idea was that 3D printing would be able to become a staple in the homes across the world and would be able to be used for maybe, for example, printing an item that you needed, alongside then maybe printing an item of clothing or looking to even print food in some examples. One of the real challenges though that these companies faced in doing this was the limitations around the technology and the fact that the machine that you will use to print food isn't going to be the same machine that you would then go to print fabrics or print other materials there. So that was one of the real challenges that I think a lot of these companies faced, and a big barrier that they faced there in trying to really move forward in getting their ultimate goal, which was to have these machines installed. The great thing that we've seen now though is that a lot of those manufacturers have recognized where they can really benefit the industry and the wider world, and the real place where that can be utilized is for prototyping and tooling. Some great examples of where desktop printing is enabling and opening the door for industrial printing now. It can be seen by what the activities of the likes of Ultimaker are doing, and some of the partnerships that they've got now with people like the Royal Netherlands Air Force and Ford, where both of these companies are able to use their printers for not only prototyping but more importantly for producing jigs, fixtures and tooling there that can be used in the maintenance process or be used in production. And what these applications are enabling these companies to do is to put together business cases to begin to bring through industrial printers into those companies and help to change some production processes that perhaps haven't seen any innovation in them for a number of decades. You have people like Markforged there as well, who are teaming up with the likes of Siemens, and these companies are seeing the real benefits of these machines now to be able to be used for prototyping originally, getting a chance to get your hands onto your ideas and really then taking them through to the next stage in the manufacturing process. This is really something that's been massively beneficial to the industry, because what it helps is for people to get an idea and an understanding of what the capabilities of 3D printing are, and then to be able to move that forward then to investing into the industrial solutions there. And as we move forward here, what we can expect is to see much more of the adoption now of the industrial machines because of the door being opened by the desktop printer manufacturers. So it's fantastic for everybody that not only has the professional world recognized that the ideas they originally had perhaps were a little far-fetched at this stage, but also that by making this shift in focus, that they're now able to help the wider adoption of additive manufacturing into the industrial world and enables this technology to become a real staple of Industry 4.0 moving forward.